India's space missions and future plans. Space exploration. Space exploration is not just about sending rockets into space. It plays an important role in our daily lives from weather forecasting and global positioning system navigation to communication, disaster management, and scientific research. In this presentation, we will explore India's remarkable journey in space exploration, the achievements of Indi- Indian Space Research Organization, and exciting missions planned for the future. Coming to the agenda of our today's program. Before we begin, let me give you an overview of today's presentation. First, I will introduce India's space programs and ISRO. Then, we will understand why space missions are important. After that, we look at India's major space missions, including Aryabhata, Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan, and Aditya L1. Next, we will discuss India's future missions, followed by benefits of space technology, the challenges faced by our space program, and finally conclude with the key takeaways. Introduction to India's space program. India's space journey began with a dream to use space technology for the country's development. Our space program focuses on peaceful purposes, scientific research, and improving the quality of life. Over the years, India has become one of the world's leading space nations by successfully launching satellites, exploring the moon and Mars, and studying the sun. What makes India's achievements even more special is that many missions have been completed at a comparatively low cost while maintaining high success rates. And, and next, coming to the point of ISRO, ISRO stands for ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It was established in 1969 by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who is known as the father of the Indian space program. Its headquarters is located in Bangalore, and the founder of the Indian Space Research Organization is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and the chairman is Dr. V. Narayana. Today, ISRO is respected globally for its innovation, reliability, and cost effective missions. The main objective of Indian Space Research Organization is to develop space technology that benefits society. Come to the next slide. Why space missions are important? Many people think space missions are only about astronauts and rockets. In reality, space technology supports our everyday life. Satellites helps us predict weather forecasting, guide vehicles using GPS navigation, improve communication, and monitor crops, managing natural disasters, and even support education and healthcare in remote areas. So, investing in space technology means investing in the country's future. And major space stations, coming to the point of timeline of India's space journey, the very first one is Aryabhata, was India's first satellite launched in 1975. And next, coming to the Rohini satellite, which is launched in 1980, India took a step forward in satellite launch with the second step of our India. And coming to the Chandrayaan series, the Chandrayaan missions focused on exploring the moon. Chandrayaan-1 confirmed the presence of water molecules and on the lunar surface. It is launched in 2008. And next, in 2013, India launched Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan. And the Mars orbiter mission, popularly known as Mangalyaan, made India the first Asian country to successfully reach Mars orbit. India also became the first nation to achieve this in its very first attempt. And coming to the again Chandrayaan-2 achieved partial success and provided valuable scientific data in 2019, where the Mangalyaan is launched in 2013 and the Chandrayaan-2 is launched in 2019. And coming to the point of Chandrayaan-3, it is launched in 2023, made a history by successfully landing near the moon's south pole, making India the first country to achieve this milestone. And not least, in 2023, again in 2023, Aditya L1 is India's first mission dedicated to studying the sun. It helps scientists understand solar activity, which affects satellites, communication system, and even power grids on Earth. And next, here we can see about Chandrayaan-3, where uh, some of the objectives and the achievements of Chandrayaan-3, where the main fun fact here is India achieved this mission at a much lower cost than many international missions, and it is being a successful mission with a much lower cost. And next, coming to the future plans of India journey to India space mission, or the very first one is Gaganyaan, India's first human space flight mission. India has many exciting missions planned for the future. The most anticipated is Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission. ISRO also plans to establish the Bharatiya Antariksh station, India's own space station. Future lunar and planetary missions will further expand India's scientific knowledge. These missions demonstrate India's long term commitment to becoming a global leader in space exploration. And the very second one is future lunar missions. I already discussed about it. And the space station, the one space station for India, and the reusable rockets, lower launch cost, more sustainable missions like Chandrayaan-3. And last but not least, international collaboration by combining NASA and NISA, uh, some of the companies working with global space agencies, combining the international collaboration mission. And the future is ours to build. And coming to the point of benefits of space technology has become an essential part of our lives. It enables GPS navigation, weather forecasting, internet connectivity, television broadcasting, and digital communication. It also supports agriculture by helping farmers monitoring crops, assist disaster management authorities during emergencies, strengthen national security, and contributes to education and healthcare. So, space technology is not just about exploring space, it directly improves our everyday lives. Next, coming to the challenges and opportunities. Like every major scientific field, space exploration has its challenges. Missions require significant investment, advanced technology, highly skilled scientists, and years of planning. Uh, there are risks such as technical failures and space debris. That is, some of the devices which uh, which occur which could occur damage, and that could be removed, right? So space debris and despite these challenges, ISRO has consistently demonstrated innovation and cost effective engineering. such as technical failures, space debris, long development time. It takes too much time sometimes, and every successful mission motivates India to aim even higher. So, overcoming these challenges through innovation and cost-effective engineering is very important. And and lastly, coming to conclusion, to conclude, India's space journey reflects determination, innovation, and scientific excellence. From Aryabhata to Chandrayaan-3 and Aditya L1, India has achieved remarkable milestones that has earned global recognition. With ambitious future missions like Gagaya, Gaganyaan and the Bharatiya Antariksh station, India is preparing for an even brighter future in space exploration. I strongly believe that India's achievements in space will continue to inspire future generations of scientists and innovators. Pause for a second, smile, and then say, the sky is not the limit, it is only the beginning. Thank you all for watching. Keep supporting this channel.